Got banned from FC26 and you have got no clue why? You are not only the one. Here is what you can do. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are going to show you what to do when EA Sports has banned players from FC26 without warning or reason. Method: get unbanned from EA Sports FC26. To get unbanned from EA Sports FC26, you must submit a formal appeal through EA Help by selecting I want to dispute a ban or suspension and completing the web form with evidence and a concise explanation. Here is how to do it. First, visit EA's official support page. Next, log into your EA account. Click Log in at the top right corner and enter your credential. Now access ban appeal option. Next, fill out the appeal form. For name and email, use the email linked to your EA account and one you check regularly. Select the platform where the ban occurred, like your PlayStation, Xbox or PC. Use something clear like EA Sports FC26 ban appeal. Write your appeal now. Make sure it should be under 500 words. EA prefers a concise, factual appeal. So include timeline of events leading to the ban. Explanation of why the ban may have been triggered. For example, false positive, compromised account. Next, attach evidence like screenshots, transaction history, match IDs, chat logs, CSV exports of your trade feed, etc. Upload any relevant documents that support your case like payment receipts, gameplay clips, or your login history. Now, click on the Send button to submit your appeal. EA's Terms of Service moderation team will review it. What happens after you submit a formal appeal? After you have submitted the formal appeal to unban your EA account, wait for some time. EA typically replies within 3 to 10 business days via email. If you don't hear back after 10 days, you may send a polite follow-up. Avoid submitting multiple appeals. It may be flagged as spam and closed automatically. Common ban reasons in FC26. Here are some of the common reasons why you can get banned while playing FC26. Coin buying or selling. Engaging in unauthorized third-party transactions to purchase or sell FUT coins violates EA's Terms of Service. Use of automation tools or snipping bots. Using software to automate market actions or gain unfair advantages in Ultimate Team can trigger anti-cheat detention. Win trading or match fixing. Coordinating match outcomes with other players to manipulate rankings or rewards is considered cheating. Toxic behavior or abusive chat. Sending offensive, harassing, or incorporate messages during gameplay may result in communication bans or full account suspensions. Account compromise or unauthorized access. If your account is accessed from suspicious IPs or shows signs of being hacked, EA may temporarily ban or lock it for security reasons. Exploiting glitches or game bugs. Repeatedly abusing in-game bugs for personal gain can lead to disciplinary action. Chargebacks or payment fraud. Reversing payments or disputing legitimate transactions can result in account suspension. You can check out this link to get detailed information on EA account locks, bans, and suspensions. And that's what to do when EA has banned you from FC26 out of no reason. If this helped you understand your ban or gave you a path forward, smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming insights. got banned too? Drop your experience in the comment section provided below. Let's build a thread EA can't ignore. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, where gamers can get the clarity they deserve. See you in the next one.